One of the more important trends within the programming category is the shift towards audience-based selling. And what this means is moving beyond Nielsen's age and gender into much more granular attributes. And why this is important for programmers is because it's very difficult to distinguish one's audience based on age and gender attributes alone. Most networks are going to look somewhat similar, although the audience size may be different. They're going to have similar audience comps. But when you overlay the viewership data with much more granular attributes, whether it's CPG purchases, car purchases, international travel, pet ownership, then unique aspects of one's network start to come to the surface. And I think what the opportunity is going forward is for programmers to be able to use census-based data like what 605 has to offer, combined with attributes beyond just age and gender so that they can represent their inventory on a much more granular basis and get maximum value out of it. And then on the back end of the campaigns, the data is useful because it can actually measure attribution. And while there's a lot of work being done in kind of modeling attribution and projecting it, we really believe that census level data offers the most robust measurement on attribution because you're matching at an individual or household to household level. So rather than taking a small set of households and projecting out the total transactions that occurred based on a campaign, we can actually do it using individualized data. Now this is all done in a privacy compliant way through a safe haven, so without a doubt privacy is of utmost concern in this area, but in a privacy compliant way advertisers now will have the ability to measure the ROI on campaigns that they're purchasing on a programmer's network. Obviously, with the most recent news, we couldn't be more delighted. We've got a tremendous partner in Charter. We think there's going to be tremendous things that we do together. I think what the real value is, and part of our core mission, is to add value by providing insights and analyses on that data. So whether it's a programmer trying to study the audience composition of a certain show or understand why ratings are what they are, or whether it's looking at audiences across platform, which is a huge issue that the industry needs to address, to be able to reconstruct consumption across all devices so that a total network rating or a total show rating can actually be calculated. Without a doubt, this is probably the most exciting time to be in the audience data business, especially in the TV side of the house where data sets now are becoming available on the marketplace. So we couldn't be more enthusiastic about that, and we're really excited in working with the programming and advertising partners that we have.